County hard hit in central Georgia by Helene, slowly getting back to normal. In one of Johnson County's hardest hit towns, Kite, folks there are still trying to get their power back on. Helene gives us an update on how folks in Kite are doing when it comes to cleaning up in more ways than one.
As you drive through Johnson County to get to the tiny town of Kite, it's hard to miss what Helene's left behind.
I'm not going to say totally destroyed, but every road in our town and city and all of our county roads had some type of debris on it.
EMA Director Shawn Wombles says the county is slowly building back up, but new foundations can't be built overnight.
It's like one of the EMCs put in their Facebook post. It took them 80-something years to build their power grid, and they've rebuilt it in 15 to 16, 17 days.
He says right now about 98% of the counties got power restored, but some areas were hit harder than others.
Definitely on the east side of our county where we're at now in the Kite area, and then on the southern tip of our county down around Adrian, both of those small communities was hit extremely hard.
And that small community of Kite is where volunteers have been busy, literally cleaning things up.
When everything else in the world's going wrong, to have clean clothes, it makes a difference.
For over a week, Mary Jo Baxton's been doing laundry that people drop off and pick up at this laundry truck. It was loaned to Kite by the Georgia Emergency Management Agency, GEMA.
We still have so many people in the area who don't have power. Mine came on yesterday.
And since they've opened this truck, they tell me that they have served about 600 loads of laundry. And while Kite's a tiny town of about 200 people, the volunteers have helped anyone who needed help taking a load off.
People come from Wadley, just up 221, and people from Swainsboro that don't have lights.
Clean laundry might be something little we all take for granted, but here in Kite, laundry is a lesson in how people can help neighbors clean up after a storm. Reporting in Kite, Helene, 13W MAZ News.
And those laundry services will continue as long as they're needed in Kite. You can follow the Lighthouse Outreach Center's Facebook page to keep informed. Also, Shawn Wombles says all of the state routes now in the area are open, but they may still have some debris or fiber lines down. So he says you need to make sure you're still driving very carefully.